how people aspire to become, what they really aspire to become. How are you seeing, education evolving in another 5 or 10 years? Maybe it was a decade or 2 decades back story when we have only the careers like being an engineer, being a doctor, these kind of careers just existed. But now where do you see that?
So I put it in this way, I mean, career, pre-internet era and post-internet era, there's a huge change.
Definitely.
Now, pre-AI era, post-AI era, huge changes. I'm Gen X. The time when we were there in school, the way education pedagogy were more of a chalk and talk kind of method, right? During probably your era, I presume you're millennial. Or probably Gen Z.
Let's not talk about that.
Okay. So, that point in time, digitization has already come inside the classroom. The conventional blackboard or chalkboard converted into the interactive whiteboard. The books has been converted into digital content. Right. So, plethora of opportunity. Now, AI has entered into the classroom. So, huge opportunity for the students and the teacher. See, with the arrival of AI cannot replace the teacher, because the role of teacher in the era of AI, it's more of a mentorship, more of a critical thinker, and
empathetic mate.
Absolutely, empathetic mate, because these three, empathy, the mentorship, that cannot be replaced by AI, right? AI provides a whole lot of tools, so many repetitive work get automated, right? For example, in our time, taking attendance, 5 minutes lost. Nowadays, it's not required. It comes in front of the camera, attendance happens automatically. Absolutely. Biometric is one of them. Currently, face recognition has come into the picture. Currently, we are working on a technology where using AI and camera, we can give the sentiment analysis of the student who are sitting in the classroom but thinking something else.